Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful May day and all the trees are blooming. Actually, we saw in my last video that this tree was nicely bloomed and now it's getting rid of all its pink petals, and all of our dandelions have, in my best effort to try to keep the heads off, have now bloomed and are white seeding, so I kind of failed on that one. But today we're going to use the wood chipper to clean up the center section of our property down by what we call the wedding alley, because I do need to mow that at some point. So today's video will just be using the Wallenstein BX36s Woodchipper on the BX36s tractor. So if that interests you, stick around. So the first order of business is to clean up this section here behind our wood pile. Then I'll just show you down Wedding Alley, and that's what we'll do next. So we're going to try something. I don't think it's going to work, but we're sticking it anyway. It's weird split off dot. I'm sure it's not going to go well. I'm sure it'll get caught. So that takes care of that. What I'm going to do now is just cut up this log into pieces, and then I'm just going to trim back some of these trees, clean this up a bit, and then I'll come back at you. Alright, so that's nice and done. We'll just chip them and move on to wedding out. Beautiful. All right, so that's good. I can now mow this area without having to worry about giant branches. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drive up Wedding Alley all the way over there. And any branches that I come across, I'll just chip right there in the spot, and then I can get on to mowing in another video. So let's just keep going down there and see what we find. Some here, we'll collect those, we'll chip those right now. Oh, I forgot the seat. So that's good to know that the safety switches are working. So make sure you put your seat up. That clears the two safety switches to know that you're not sitting in the seat, and then we'll start it up again. Yo. RPMs are trouble. So this area has been slowly dying off. I don't know what's going on with it, but these 5 or 8 trees are all down. There's a couple in there that are down. That one is dangerous, but this is out in the back of the property. So I'm not dealing with them if they're dead standing right now. I'll just deal with the picking up of the debris that's on the ground, so that I can mow all this, because I do mow all back here. All of that, and all those trees over there are dead standing, so we're not going to deal with those either. But we'll just clean up this area quickly, and then we'll carry on. Let's give you a bit more of a larger view of what's going on. I was happy there. I think you can find a level spot, but